Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert legal size PDF to A4 size PDF using PDF element. First I'll set this PDF size, select file option, now select properties. This is a legal size PDF. Now select organize option and select a page size option. And I'll convert all of this page A4 size. Already selected A4 size and see this box. Now select A4 size. Also you can change page orientation. You can make it landscape and remain portrait. Now we will select apply. As it is, all of this page now convert to A4 size. Now select file properties option and see this. This is A4 size measurement. Okay. And finally select this file option. Save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.